Hi, in this video, we're asked to obtain the value of x. We are given that 2 to the power of x plus 1 divided by 2 to the power of x is equal to 2. So we have it that 2 to the power of x plus 1 divided by 2 to the power of x is equal to 2. Now, to eliminate this fraction, we multiply this equation by the LCM, which is 2 to the power of x. So we have that 2 to the power of x, open your bracket, multiply by 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x multiply by 1 divided by 2 to the power of x equal to 2 multiply by 2 to the power of x. 2 to the power of x multiplied by 2 to the power of x is equal to 2 to the power of x plus x plus, at this point, 2 to the power of s can cancel out 2 to the power of s. We are left with 1 equal to 2 multiplied by 2 to the power of x. So we can have that this becomes 2 to the power of 2x plus 1, 2 times 2 to the power of x. So now we can collect like terms and move everything to the left hand side. This becomes 2 to the power of 2x minus 2 multiplied by 2 to the power of x plus 1 equal to 0. Now, this also can be expressed as 2 to the power of x, open up a bracket, to the power of 2. This is because, note that if I have a to the power of mn, this can be expressed as a to the power of n or to the power of m, or a to the power of m or to the power of n. So on that note, we have this minus 2 multiplied by 2 to the power of x, all enclosed in a bracket, plus 1 equal to 0. Now at this point, we have an equation that the highest power is 2. Now we can make some substitution. So we can say that let p be equal to 2 to the power of x. So if p is equal to 2 to the power of x, we have it now that the equation will reduce to p squared minus 2p plus 1 equal to 0. Now we have a quadratic equation, which we can solve with any method that is used to find the solution of a quadratic equation. Now at this point, I will be using the factorization method. So I will look out for two numbers that when I add them, they will give me -2. When I multiply them, they will give me +1. And those two numbers are -1 and -1. Thus, I will have it that this becomes p squared minus p plus 1 equal to 0. So if I group my terms, I will have that p, open the bracket, we have p minus 1 minus 1, p minus 1 equal to 0. So this becomes p minus 1 multiplied by p minus 1 equal to 0. Thus, we have that p minus 1 is equal to 0, or again, p minus 1 is equal to 0. So most times, since they're the same, you just pick one. So therefore, p is equal to 1, and here also p is equal to 1. But recall that p is given as 2 to the power of x. So for p equal to 1, we have it that 1 is equal to 2 to the power of x. Now, since we have base 2 here, we can express 1 in base 2 And to achieve that, we have 2 to the power of 0, which is equal to 1. So this equation becomes 2 to the power of 0 equal to 2 to the power of x. So since the bases are the same, then the powers should be the same. So x is equal to 0. So most times it is good to check if your answer satisfies the equation. So let us check if s equal to 0 satisfies our equation. So the equation given to us was 2 to the power of x plus 1 divided by 2 to the power of x is equal to 2. So at this point, we want to check if the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. So the value of x is equal to 0. So we have that 2 to the power of 0 plus 1 divided by 2 to the power of 0 is equal to 2. So 2 to the power of 0 is 1 plus here also 2 to the power of 0 is 1. 1 divided by 1 is 1. So therefore 2 is equal to 2. Thus, s equal to 0 is correct. If you found the video helpful, please don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.